Did you hear that? Yes, that's the sound of my new exhaust. Say hello to the Hornet Race Exhaust System. This is a catback system from Hornet, and it will set you back £170. Oh yes, this is the business. Or is it? Let's find out right now. So I wanted something bigger. I wanted something better. And I didn't think I could get quite better than the Sport X until I found this. The Hornet Exhaust. And they called it the Race System. So Hornet is within Sport X. So the same people make Sport X and Hornet. But apparently Hornet is a lot more better in quality and sound, which I was soon to discover that was the case. It says that the Hornet Race systems are a perfect way to transform your car and driving experience. I can agree with that. The race systems replace standard sections of your original exhaust, resulting in improved power, which I can agree, and giving your car that ultimate race feel and sound. And it doesn't just mean the vibration inside the car when you're driving along. It was easy to install. It goes straight onto the back of the cat and all the way down to the back box. You could use the original hangers, which I first attempted, which then found there was a lot of rubbing and knocking, so I had to get some different hangers, which then after a lot of playing around I finally managed to fit it all in place. This exhaust is made with one of my favourite materials, and it's coated in a high temperature exhaust paint for maximum protection apparently. The sound is immense and is very loud. Upon collection of this, I was given earbuds from the guy who delivered it, and I thought he was joking at first. He says, "You're going to need these," but what I was later to discover is how loud inside the car it actually is. So this exhaust is a straight through design, and it sounds very sport like, which I can agree. Sounds very much straight piped. It says you'll notice a power gain and sharper throttle response. It will sound very bad boy indeed. The honest review of this exhaust is that it is very loud, and at first you'll think of how awesome it is and how much it stands out from the crowd, how noisy it is, and you'll love it every time you put your foot on the accelerator. Bam! But there comes a time after a couple of months down the line when you start to become very annoyed when you're going along. You know, you're going at a constant speed, especially in a high gear. It can become very deafening, and the droning is very awful from this exhaust, which is one of the downsides to it. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this exhaust. Do you like it? Don't you like it? Let me know. But I think, in the whole grand scheme of things, I think it's time to take it off. I've had me fun. I've had me a couple of months of fun. And it's great going round town and stuff like that. But I think, for now, it's time to say goodbye and give the ears some rest. It's a great exhaust to have a bit of fun with, stand out from the crowd and make it sound a lot louder and faster than it actually is.